Welcome to Brain Vision.
First, writing V inlet is equal to 320 meter per second and V exit is equal to 650 meter per second. This is the given value in the problem. M0 is given as 30 kg per second and the value of Cp is 1.005 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Now Cv is 0.7 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. This is the given data. Now going further, we can also write as R is equal to 0.3 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and the value of K is 1.4. As we know that F is equal to net thrust developed. This is the net thrust developed. But we know the formula for F as m0 under bracket V exit minus V inlet. So I am just going to put all the given data here. So I am putting all the given data, and on calculating we will get F as 9900 Newton, that is 9.9 kilo Newton. So F is 10 kilonewton approx. This is the answer. Option B is correct.